Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to convert iPhone recording files to MP4. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. Open the App Store on your iPhone, search for MP4 converter in the App Store search bar. Download and install the MP4 converter application on your iPhone. Exit the App Store and locate the MP4 converter app on your device. Tap on it to open the app. In the MP4 converter app, look for the option to select video. Browse through your phone's recordings and select the file that you want to convert to MP4. Once you have made your selection, tap on Done or a similar option to confirm your choice. In the MP4 converter app, you should see the selected video and an option choose the output format. Make sure it is set to MP4. Tap on Start Converting or a similar button to begin the conversion process. Wait for the app to convert the recording file to MP4 format. This may take some time, depending on the size and duration of the recording. Once the conversation is complete, the MP4 file will be saved in your phone's gallery or a specific location. That's it. Please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.